Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Snappa to create ebook cover. To create an ebook cover in Snappa, follow this step. Start by logging into your Snappa account. For ebook cover, use a portrait orientation with dimensions like 600 into 2560. After entering the dimension, click on Create button. Decide on a background that aligns with your ebook theme. Go to the Background tab. From here, you can use variety of photos. You can also upload your own photos by clicking on Uploads tab. Go to the Text tab here, and you can add the heading. You can change its color from this color option. And you can change its font by this drop-down menu. Make the title large and bold with the author name slightly smaller. Use colors that stand out against the background. To enhance your cover, consider adding icon, shape, or illustration. Use the Graphic tab to browse for relevant graphics that can accent your design. Review your cover to ensure the text is clear and the design is balanced. Once satisfied, click on Download on the top right corner. Choose PNG or JPG. Your ebook cover is now ready to use on platforms like Kindle or social media for promotional purpose. By following these steps, you can create an eye-catching ebook cover in Snappa. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.